Yo, what's up, Garage Gang? Before I start today's video, I want to give thanks and show some appreciation and say Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. Thank you guys for tuning in on this very special day. Without further ado, let's get into today's first mod. Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Garage Boy League. We back here with another lit video. So today, a surprising thing we about to do today. You see what we got in the shop right now. We got the F10 in the shop. About to go crazy, about to do the first modification. I'm pretty excited. I don't know, you excited? I'm excited. So basically, if we're gonna get into today, I gotta show you guys what we got. Stay tuned. I know what you guys probably wondering what we got. What was first? Oh, damn, I almost tripped over. There it is. Boom. We got lowering springs. I'm about to go on my baby. So, yep, this is the first mod that we did. I ended up ordering these from Throttle. Got a little sale going on. I spent about $320 for them. So, you know, it's a good bargain. It wasn't bad. You know, good deal. And now we're going to add a drop. And then what I'm thinking of doing is getting some spacers. And then getting the tires with a lower profile. And also redoing the rims, like spray painting them, just for now until I can afford the rims. Cause you know, doing stuff on a college kid budget is not easy. But yeah, without further ado, today, let's get into this video. So what's up, YouTube? We back here. So we put one of the lowering springs on. Bad news, the shock is shit. And then I also did some rookie shit. So we have Dreddy here trying to redeem me for my stupidness. Kind of living up to my name, but it's not a good thing. So yeah, Any wise words from Dreddy?
No.
You're not too happy with me right now, so you know. But yeah, we're gonna find a bolt and just continue with the process. So now we got the other side out. Now we use these tools that we got from AutoZone to compress the spring. Take this off and put the new lowering springs on. But yeah, that's basically all you have to do then. Screw off that top, take it off, compress the new spring, put it on, and you're good to go. And then we're gonna shove it back up in the car, and then we'll be all done with the front. So 10 years later, we're starting to tighten everything back up now. Now we just have the back to do, but the time is really late. Now we're just gonna have to do the back of next time. Probably tomorrow we get to it. But yeah, we're working. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Garage Boy Leak, back here the next day after finish putting everything on the F10, putting on the lower springs. But yeah, basically what I kind of want to tell you guys is we didn't get to a video of the back. The GoPro had died. We finished it up the next day. We just banged it out real quick, got everything done, and now the F10 is officially low. It gave us a good drop. Shout out to Throttle. That's where I ordered it from. They gave you really good quality springs, and they also shipped it out quickly and got everything done well. So shout out to Throttle. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the F10. You see, it's not a crazy drop, but it's just perfect, especially with what I plan to do with the car. It just looks amazing, and I'm gonna put together a little cinematics for you guys towards the end. But as you can see, the drop was good. Could fit 2 fingers in there. It's perfect. And we also got 2 more modifications coming to the car. That's gonna help the car look 10 times better. Whew. The back is tucked perfect. I wish the front could have been a little bit better. It kind of looks like the back is lower than the front, but really no complaints at all, man. So that's all. As you guys see, we did a little cinematic of the car, showed you what we did, but I need you guys to stay tuned for what we got coming next week, because it's only going up from here. We got 2 mods coming next week, something beautiful, make the car better. What's up? And have everything go right. Yo, Garage Gang, I'm gonna get up with y'all. Be easy. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, man. Garage Gang, we growing, we coming bigger and better every video. Peace.